Hi, everybody. Hope you're having a great week. Hope you're all doing well with all the assignments and stuff. Really want to just say thank you for staying on top of everything, really getting everything done. This week is going to be a shift in terms of moving toward more innovation stuff. So you're going to have a um, run an introduction to innovation on PowerPoint. You're going to go through Creativity Inc. and as well as review some materials. Now, I use Disney as one of the main case studies for this, Disney and Pixar. I think it'll really help because it provides a overview of what you can do in terms of um, and developing a introductory mindset for innovation. So take a look at that and let me know if you have any questions. It's a pretty straightforward week for this week. Just be sure to stay on top of the reading. The reading can be pretty extensive, so make sure you're reviewing the PowerPoint, you're staying on top of the reading, and again, if you have any questions or you need anything, just shoot me an email.